They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Make sure that it's true by using Infogram's image editing features. After selecting an image, you'll see the available options in the settings panel on the right. To crop an image, click on the crop button and reposition the trim marks. Once you're done, hit enter or click outside of the image. You can also apply a mask to your image. Click on the mask button and use the search bar to look for an icon or pick one from the list. Resize and reposition the icon how you want, then hit enter or click outside of the image. If you'd like to add a filter to your image, select Filter and Adjust and pick one from the list. Expand the Adjust tab here to add some additional tweaks to your image. You can also remove the background of an image by clicking here. Just make sure that there's a clear contrast between the foreground and background. Now it's time for you to get creative by adding a personal touch to your images.